Hi, you may know us for our plumbing services, but Battavio also handles everything from full system replacements to custom installations, whether it's for your home or your business. We are all about precision, efficiency, and making sure the job is done right the first time.
Whether you have a newer system or an existing one, our qualified service team is ready to offer a variety of maintenance contracts and emergency services when the time arises.
We work as one team, install to service, to provide quality, reliability, and peace of mind.
That's the Battavio way.